Hey everyone, looks like I just got the iRobot Roomba 980. Hey, so let's unbox it. Let's take a peek. Let's see. Smart navigation. It's simple. It cleans like a good vacuum. There. Yeah. Nice low profile. Should fit under the couch nicely. Side brush. Only one side brush. Feels like you could have two. Who's the judge? The dock. One of the great things about the Roomba 980 is when it's low on power, it'll back up and charge itself. Nice. Quick start guide. Cardboard. Here's all the little goodies. We got here. Oh, it's the barrier. So if you want to set up a barrier where you don't want it to go into a certain room, you won't have to worry about it going downstairs. Supposedly it knows not to do that. The cord. The other barrier. Filter. Batteries for the barrier. Oh, hey, the other corner piece. That's funny. As I complain about it, it came with one. So let's see this bad boy in action, shall we?